Now we move to the fourth section of the video that deals with written communication. In this section, we are going to take a look at creating a social format course, communicating through forum within the social format course, communicating through personal messages, designing activities for collaborative work, creating wikis. Section 4, Video 1, Creating a Social Format Course. In this video, we are going to take a look at creating a new course, enrolling users, adding a new discussion topic, posting the discussion data. First of all, we are going to enter our Moodle course and we are going to scroll down. We click on Site Administration, we click on Courses, we click on Manage Courses and Categories. We are going to create a new course, so we are going to click on Create New Course. We have to complete some necessary blocks, such as course full name and course short name. Once we completed these blocks, we scroll down. We can write the course summary and we can add some pictures or media. We can also add files. We are going to click on course format. Within course format, we click on the downward arrow next to format and we are going to choose social format. We click on groups. We are going to click next to group mode. We click on the downward arrow and we're going to click on visible groups. We click on save and display because now we are going to enroll users. We click on Enroll Users and we're going to choose from the users that we've got here. We are going to choose some users and we can also add more users. After enrolling users, we are going to click on Finish Enrolling Users. We have now 5 students in this course. We click on Proceed to Course Content in order to add more content, to start adding content to this course because there's nothing. As it is a social format course, we are going to add discussion topics. We click on Add a new discussion topic. We have to complete some necessary blocks in order to start a discussion. We need to complete the subject and the message. Within the message, as there is an HTML editor, we can add any media that we would like to add. So we have to complete these 2 blocks and we can also add files. Once we completed the blocks, we scroll down, we click on Post to Forum. We can make any necessary changes within 30 minutes and we can go on adding new discussion topics.